Need a checkup? Need a cast? Come on in, I'll fix you up and fix you fast. Vida the Vet. That's me. I'll have you feeling better in 1, 2, 3. Vida the Vet. Vida the Vet. That's me. I'll have you feeling better in 1, 2, 3. Otto's secret recipe. That looks really yummy, Dad. What is it?
Oh, just a little thing I like to call veggie surprise. I forgot the carrots.
Needs a dash of salt. He'll thank me for this later. Let's go, go, go! Yeah.
Bye, Dad.
Bye. Have fun in Sweetwood.
Oh, good afternoon, bees.
Ooh, those bees got the moves!
They sure do. Fun fact, when bees find food, they do a waggle dance to tell the others where to find it.
Oh, looks like it worked.
Okay, let's waggle to the clinic. Oof.
Oof. Ooh. Hi there.
Hey, it's snowing! No, it's not snowing. Oh, well, easy come, easy snow. I'm hilarious.
I don't think that was snow popcorn.
It's flour. I'm on my way home to bake honey bread for Sylvie.
Honey bread.
It always helps her feel better when she's ill.
It always helps me feel better even when I'm not ill. It's the best bread in the whole wide world.
Oh, gosh. Well, thanks, Popcorn.
I wonder what's in your honey bread that makes it so sweet.
Oh, I'd tell you, but it's a special secret bear recipe.
Aw, I'm sure your yummy bread will make Sylvie feel much better. We have to go to the clinic first, but we'll be by later to check on her.
See you, Otto.
See you. Ho, ho, ho. Sleep tight, Sylvie. Now to make Sylvie's favourite honey bread. Okay, let's see. Oh, yep, I need flour. Oh, everyone will think I'm a polar bear. 2 paws of flour. Oh, and of course, I need honey. Okay, honey, come on out now. Yeah. I mean, quiet, ouchie. Looks like we need a vet. She'll fix me up in 1, 2, 3. I'll go to Vida the Vet. She will take great care of me.
Thanks a million, Vida. I feel so much better.
You're welcome, Koa.
Otto, my big bear buddy. How's that honey bread coming along?
Oh, ooh, honey bread. Is it sweet?
So sweet.
Oh, I bet it's so scrumptious.
Oh, it is. My question is, what makes it so sweet?
Well, you know, it's probably the...
Sorry, Popcorn and Koa, but I think Otto has something to say.
Oh, thanks, Vida. I do. Owie, 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 owie. My finger hurts.
Oh, no. Follow me to the X-ray room. I'll have you feeling better in 1, 2, 3. The good news is your finger is not broken.
Oh, phew.
Yippee! My diagnosis is it's just a little squished. A nice cold ice pack should make your finger feel better. Ice pack, please.
Ice pack coming right up. Ice pack, nice and freezing. Brr.
And you have to let your finger rest while it's healing. Try not to use it too much, okay?
Okay.
I happen to know a very talented hamster who could help you finish baking while your finger gets better.
Oh, that would be great, but the recipe is a bear secret.
Oh. Oh, what if I guess what's in it? Then you won't have to tell me. I'll start with what makes it so sweet. Wait, don't tell me. Cherries? No. Strawberries? No. Sardines!
Oh, I do like sardines, but not in my honey bread.
All done!
Okay. Well, thanks for patching me up, Vida.
That's okay, Otto. See you later when we come by to check on Sylvie.
Honey flavor.
That's it! It's the secret ingredient, lollipops.
Nope, not lollipops.
Oh, fiddlesticks.
Not fiddlesticks either.
Boo.
Okay. Oh, whoops. Vida said not to use my hurt finger too much. But I bet I could still make honey bread for Sylvie. How much could I possibly need this one little finger anyway? Now to get cracking. Whoopsie.
Otto, are you okay?
Oh, I'm fine. I'm completely fine. Oh, ooh. My elbow might not be fine, though.
I'd better take a look. Magnifying glass, please.
Magnifying glass.
The good news is, it's just a little bruise.
One more ice pack. Brrr.
With all this ice, I really am gonna be a polar bear.
Oh, Sylvie's awake. Ready for your checkup? Yes, please.
Now to get back to my recipe. I got it. Whoa.
He's not gonna try to...
Whoa. Whoa.
Oh, he's trying it.
Whoa. This certainly is a sticky situation. Whoa. Whoa. Ooh, owie. Ooh, I mean, I'm okay.
Speak for yourself.
Looks like you have a little sprain. You have to rest your foot, Otto.
Oh, but I really want to keep making you-know-what for you-know-who.
Otto, you need to take it easy. That's orders.
Please, can I help you make that honey bread? Everyone needs a little help sometimes. Right, Vida?
Yep.
When there's something you can't lift, 'cause you're too small.
Or something you can't reach, 'cause you're not tall. Or something you can't pick, 'cause you're afraid you might fall. You could use a helping hand.
And
We are always here to help.
yeah, just say when.
Then if you need more help, just ask again.
You really want to bake this honey bread for your friend? You could use a helping hand.
Hey, it could be a helping toe.
Or a helping me.
With helping pulse to mix the dough.
You could build this recipe.
And it'll taste heavenly. Heavenly. You could use a helping hand. Oh, yeah. You could use a helping hand.
You're right. I could use some help. But the recipe's a bear secret. And there are no other bears around to help.
Whoa, are you okay, Popcorn?
I'm great! I'm showing Otto that I can be a bear if he needs help from a bear.
You make a fantastic bear, Popcorn. Want to help me make our secret bear recipe?
Oh, I mean... That's bear for yes. Or at least I think it is.
Psst. The secret is...
Honey! I mean E. Honey. So that's what makes your honey bread so sweet. I really didn't see that coming.
honey bread, my favourite. Yum. Thanks, Vida, and this yummy honey bread, I feel right as a rainbow. Sylvie's cold is all gone.
Oh, that's great news, 'cause this bear's gonna need a little help until he gets better.
Anything for my best bear buddy.
Dad's dinner was delightful, delectable, and delicious.
It really was. Good night, Popcorn.
Night, Vida.
Oh, I forgot to ask. What is in Otto's honey bread that makes it so sweet? Could it be honey?
Vida. I'm afraid I can't say. It's an old bear secret, just for us bears.
You can watch more fun cartoons from CBeebies on BBC iPlayer.